temporarily a good mentor, supportive, encouraging, everything you weren't. And in time, who knows? He might make a good sidekick. Ha-ha!
He's getting away, Bob! We have to do something now! Something's happening. What's happening? We have to stop him! Throw something!
I can't! I might hit Jack.
Throw me. Bob, throw me!
This isn't the end of it! I will get your son eventually! I'll get your son!
Look at Mommy, honey. Don't look down. Mommy's got you. Everything's all right. That's my girl.
Does this mean we have to move again?